Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language of your LG television. So whether you want to change the language of the audio or the menu settings, or just all of these options, this video is going to show you exactly how to do this. So first thing you need to do is just head over to your television remote control, and we're going to press the home button to come over to the LG home screen. And right at the top here, you'll see these menu items. So we just need to press the up arrow key to come up to the top here. And then you're going to scroll across and select this settings icon at the top here. You can also get to this menu just by pressing the settings icon on your remote control. You can see that my one's located down here. And by pressing this will take you directly to this menu. So once we're inside of the settings, we need to scroll all the way down to all settings. And then once again, just use the arrow keys on your remote control to come down to general. Press the right arrow key to come over to this general tab. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select System. Then right at the top here, we have this option for language. So just go ahead and press OK. And now within this window, we have the option to change all of our different language settings. So for example, if you just wanted to change the audio of your television, we could come over to a primary audio language here. And then from this list, we would just select the language that you wanted to change to. And we can also come back to the previous menu. And if you wanted to change all of the menu settings and everything like that on your television, then you could just come over to menu language at the top here. And once again, just select your preferred language. So to show you an example, I'll now change my menu settings to Spanish. So you'll get this warning message pop up. So just go ahead and press OK on your television remote. And now if I come back over to the settings menu, you can see now everything is in Spanish. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change the language on your LG television. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.